What exactly does a curl cream do? Well, despite the name, it doesn't actually make your hair more curly. Instead, it's designed to enhance the natural waves and curls you already have. This helps in defining your texture and reducing frizz, leaving your hair natural and soft. So today I'm going to test the Slick Gorilla Curl Cream to see how it performs on my hair. Let's get right into it. Just for context, guys, I have wavy fine hair. So it's wavy on top, and as it grows longer from the back, it does start to get more curly. So if you have similar hair to me, it's definitely worth sticking around to check out whether this product is for you. Also, if you don't have similar hair to me, I still think it's worth sticking around to check whether this product is for you. So in terms of the application, I started with damp hair and sprayed in a little sea salt spray first. Since my hair is quite fine, I like using a sea salt spray because it adds texture and gives my hair a bit more grip before applying any styling product. So once that was in, I worked the Slick Gorilla Curl Cream evenly through my hair, making sure to spread it from roots through the ends. And just remember guys, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to use loads of product. So after applying the curl cream, I used a hairdryer to add some extra volume to my hair. One thing I'd recommend is that you don't fully dry your hair out, because ultimately it's about going for that natural soft look, so you don't want to dry it out too much. Leaving your hair slightly damp allows the curl cream to continue and enhance the texture of your hair, giving you that soft, flexible approach as opposed to it looking completely dried out. Here's the finished result. Straight away, you can see that it hasn't made my hair curly, and that's exactly what I'd expect. A curl cream isn't supposed to create curls. Instead, it's there to enhance the texture that your hair already has, thus enhancing your waves and curls. For me, it really enhanced the natural waves on the top, and it made the curls at the back much more defined. The finish feels lightweight, my hair still has plenty of movement, and it doesn't feel stiff or crunchy at all. It just gives more of a natural looking finish. If you have fine hair like me and you're planning to style your hair into a textured fringe, I would not recommend using this product. It simply doesn't provide enough hold for that hairstyle. Personally, I would use something like the Slick Gorilla styling powder, as this would give your hair more texture and hold. However, if you do have quite thick, curly or wavy hair, a textured fringe is something that you can do with this product. And if you do have fine hair like me and you're going for a slick back, brush back kind of hairstyle, I think it does really well in enhancing those waves and curls. And that's ultimately where I think it performs the best, especially with fine hair. Overall, I think the Slick Gorilla Curl Cream is designed to do exactly what it says. It enhances your natural waves and curls without making your hair look sticky or crunchy. And just remember, if you do have straight hair, this product is not going to create any curls for you. It simply just enhances the natural waves and curls you already have. Ultimately, if you have curly hair, I would absolutely recommend this product. If you have wavy hair, I would still recommend this product, as it would enhance your natural waves. If you have straight hair, I would not recommend that you use this product. Now, if you do want to check this product out, I will leave a link in the description for you guys to go and check it out. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do leave a comment in the comment section if you have tried this product out, and let me know your thoughts. I have also reviewed other Slick Gorilla products, and I will also leave that in the description as well as over here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.